People, I made a video saying there was a DA, I think Deputy Minister of Finance or something like that. I think his surname is Burke, if I'm not mistaken. And I said he was involved in a 4 billion rand fraud scheme, right? There's a there's a man called Brett Heron, and his life's mission is to expose the DA's corruption, right? He said in a video that it was not 4 billion, but actually 10 billion rand. Damn. And here we are believing that the DA always has clean audits, and the DA is always returning funds to Treasury instead of using all of the funds to benefit the people of the Western Cape. But no, but no, they've got other plans up their sleeves. Keep voting for the DA, for the DA. Holla!